Hello Squarespacers, welcome back to another SQSP Starter blog tutorial. This is Askar Rahman from SQSP Starter team, and today we are going to learn how to add a product to a Squarespace website. In Squarespace 7.1 we have store pages, and store pages are a collection of products that includes all details and related informations for any product, such as its price, its title and stock and related description. So we'll learn how do we add a product to a Squarespace 7.1 website. So I am in the home menu of my website, and once you are in this menu, you can go onto the pages of the website, and clicking on the pages, you see this plus icon. So once you click on it, you'll see different layouts of pages, and you'll need to select a store page in order to end any product page. So it shows different layouts, and you can select in between any of these layouts. I'll select the first one. You can later change on these layouts as well, and I'll name it as shop page. And this is my shop page. I'll go into the shop page. You can see already we have some other products that are already added to the website, but I can add some other products that I want to add to my website and can delete these ones. So I'll just click on add product, or I can click on the above plus icon. You see different kind of types of products are featured over here. So it could be any physical product, any service that you could provide, any digital download product, cards, memberships, videos, and scheduling kind of like consultation kind of things. Okay. Then I'll click on physical. Once we have the physical product appearing, it will ask for some details like product name, its description, images, and different kind of information. So let's fill in those, and I'll write it as SQSP plugin, and I'll fill in the description as SQSP plugins provides variety of versatile designs in Squarespace. And you can fill in all these details. These are quite clear. And then I'll add any image. I can use this. And I can change this to templates. Basically, so templates will be more reasonable according to the image I'm showing up. Okay, so let's go down. We can have the price as $45, and on sale. No, it is within scope. Yes, stock is unlimited. And then if you want to add any variants, we'll discuss this. Some major details that I'm leaving for now, we can discuss this. We will have separate tutorials for these, so that's why I'm not going into the details. But we can add the categories. I can select as templates, as categories, and see done. Okay, tags. You can add tags, you can add these information, and we'll need to click on save, then publish. Once the product is published, it will appear onto your page. See, this is how it looks. Once I click on it, you'll see clicking on the product image gives out all the descriptions that were required and that someone wants to know about the product. So if you want any person coming up on your site and wants to purchase any template would come and look at these descriptions and fill in the quantities, how many templates they want to purchase, and so based upon that, based upon that, they can click on the add to cart button, and further they can complete the process of purchasing. So that was all about a Squarespace product page. And for further tutorials related to products, follow up with us, and don't forget to share, comment, subscribe our channel. Until then, take care and goodbye.